Okay, hi, my name's Joan. I've been coming to Dr. Yang, I think, for about almost 3 years. And it started out because I was having some toxicity in my body, and we couldn't quite figure what it was, but she did figure it out. And I had an operation. And prior to the operation, because of the um, all of the acupuncture, the nurses couldn't believe how well I handled the operation and also coming out of the operation with the anesthesia. I also was going through the death of my mother, and for the last 3 years, my dog's dying, and all you always have things going on. I have a stressful work environment. It's at a horse barn, but still we're very busy, and it's my own business, which is sometimes stressful, so that helps. So anytime that I just start to feel not so great or overstressed, if I'm not having an illness at the time, I come to Dr. Yang and I feel like I'm 10 years younger. It's just wonderful. So I feel like emotionally and physically, um, mentally, it always helps me. And I'll probably be coming to Dr. Yang for the rest of my life.